Holy moly, donut shop. What a fake out. What a fake out, guys. The market, whew, they gapped up. They gapped up and cleared some more resistant levels. I hope you guys were able to make money today. I try to give out some levels. I don't know, guys. It was incredible. All this volatility that we've been having lately, it's like a day trader's paradise. I'm sure the swing trader's been having a rough time, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry y'all going through that. Woo! But all this volatility, intraday, up and down and around, I wish it was like this all the time. It's not always like this, but I wish it was like this all the time. It's it's earning seasons, gotta love earning seasons. Now, what is the context here, guys? What is the context? Well, we gapped up, got above that 5 daily moving average, guys. Got above the 5 day moving average. That's something to note. We also cleared that 528.5 level. Well, I actually had it was actually at 529.5 if I zoom out here. You guys know we had that uptrend since April low, 50% fib level. So what we have here, guys, is if we're looking at this from Fibonacci trader, right? Fibonacci trading, we had this correction, looking like an ABC move to the downside. ABC. And we gapped down past the golden zone. They say the 61.8 fib level was the golden zone, but in this case, it looks like the golden zone was very much more closer to the 78.6 fib level. Didn't quite hit it, but we got very close before recapturing that 61.8 fib level. Now, when I say recapture, I'm not talking about Tuesday. I'm talking about today. Because you can see on Tuesday, we recaptured. Market wanted to play tricks, push it back down, got back below that level. And what happened? Gapped up. This is why, this is why I like to play level to level. Why? Because this market is manipulated. In and out quick, baby. Got to secure the bag before they try to take it back from me. This whole market is manipulated. I don't trust it. That's why I just play level to level. I'm not trying to hold nothing. I like sleep. Hard for me to enjoy my sleep when I'm holding positions overnight. I have no idea what's going to happen, especially in the recent price action, in today's market. I had somebody yesterday very stressed out because NVDA was looking bearish. Guess what? Look, it bounced today. I told him anything can happen. Anything can happen. That's why I love about the stock market. Anything can happen. Everybody's so sure of themselves. But as a sheep, we humble. We humble and know that, hey, we don't know what the hell's going to happen. All we got to know is the levels and setups beforehand. And then when the show starts, we just look to react based on the setups level to level, guys. That's sheep style trading. And we recaptured 529.5. That's a false breakdown setup. We also recaptured 521, of course. So if there is going to be more upside, it's got to stay above 529.5. What's interesting with today's trading is it goes back to my my concept of the chop phase and the trend phase. Okay, you guys can see here intraday. That was today. Intraday, it was chopping. Holy moly, setting up a chop. It was trending. You guys see the trend, V, looking like a V-shaped recovery there. But it was trending, and it started chopping. It chopped for all morning. We identified the chop range, and when it broke out, led to a nice move to the upside. It wasn't a big move, but you got to understand it's based on a smaller time frame. These things would mean a lot more on a daily chart because the move's bigger. It's on a daily chart. But anyways, it was very nice trading. But the bottom line is, I would stay bullish above 529.5. If today's high get taken out, and today's high was around 531.3. I had a resistance level around 531, but around that area, we need to clear it. Okay, 531. We can look at Wednesday's high, 531.5ish. If that clears, I am favoring more upside. We also have an inside candle setup, technically speaking. So mother candle's high is at 531.59. So clear that level. More upside definitely possible. I'd be targeting 534, 535.5 at the next fib level around 538. All right, guys. Once again, if this is a dead cat bounce, guys, if this is a dead cat bounce, we need that false breakout setup. So what level was cleared? Critical level, 529.5. You got the shorter term fib level around 528-ish. If those two levels break down, then we got ourselves a false breakout setup. Use nothing shorter than a 15-minute chart. Obviously, the higher, the better. A lot of my members, they like to use the 1 hour chart, which is great as well. But yeah, we need the false breakout setup, which means those levels must fail. 529.5 was the last critical level cleared. Break it down, false breakout setup. And as far as the next major critical level, of course, 521, because we had a false breakdown setup off of that level. So that needs to be canceled by breaking it back down. Dead cat bounce setup that should lead to a big move back to the downside. All I'm saying is look to react unbiasedly. Triple Q also with the bounce. It looks like it also has an inside candle setup. Above 449, I would be bull bias in favor of nice pop to the upside. I think we can get up to 456 at least. We do have a gap all the way up at 460-ish, 459.6 to 460-ish, right around there. Overall, I'm just saying, we clear 449, I'd be bullish. 451 should take us up. I got 453, 454.5, and of course, fib level at 456. All right. As far as being bearish goes, we did clear that 447.5 is fib level. It must break that down to put 446, 445 in the next fib level at 443 in play. Okay, we recaptured 443 today. Finally, I've been saying above 443, we're bullish, at least to this this green trend line here. Let's see how well that ages. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Okay, I'll accept it. It is what it is. All right. Moving on to Tesla. Tesla also has an inside candle setup here. Chop range, mother candles range, about 203.5 to 191.5. It's around 199.75 right now. So as far as being bullish goes, it's going to need to get above 200, 202, and 203.5. We got a fib level at 205. So those are the levels that must clear to be bullish. And to get us back down, stay below 200, of course. Break down 198, 196, 194. Then we do got the mother candles low at 191.4-ish. So I would be bear bias below 191.4. All right. 190 or lower would definitely be in play. NVDA also with the bounce. Yeah, I have a fib level at 106. It's just below that. If it can clear tomorrow, then maybe we can get the bounce can continue. If not, market maker fuckery continues. But I'll trade it either way. I don't give a damn. But above 106, I would, look to long with 108, 109.5, and 111 in play. As far as being bears goes, we recaptured the 102.5 fib level. I need to see that level break back down for me to count this as a dead cat bounce, and then I'll look to short. All right, as of right now, we got a false breakdown setup. As long as above that level, I would be bullish. All right, dark pool levels. Let's see what we got. 530.65 is where 45% of activity came in, and then we got the other 34% around 518.4, 852 million in premium. The 530.65, that's 1.1 billion. It's a lot more. Triple Q, 71% of activity came in at 434.85. Remember, guys, these are 24-hour delayed here. But I like to look at them because I want to know where big money's parking their money, where the areas they're interested in. And, of course, because I like support and resistant levels, okay? I like the levels. NVDA, okay, 104.97, all right? And Tesla, 70% of activity came at 198.8. I think that's actually one of my fib levels as well. Anyways, yeah, 198.8. Let's take a look at the option flows. SPY will filter for 100K premiums or above. And let's take a look. It's bearish once again. 47,000 plus for calls, 128,000 plus for puts. Let's take a look at these puts, though. This one definitely sticks out right here. Sweeps, They entered around 530.85. These are puts above the ask. 501 strike price, but here, look at here, September 20th expiration date. So they definitely have time. They believe that the market's going to drop. Okay, that's a good amount of money, over 500K. Let's see what else we have. Look at another one here. Sweeps. This is over 600K, over 5,000 in size. Now this is a big size, above the ask. Put 504 strike price, but look here, expiration date August 19th, guys. Short term, baby. We're talking short term here. That's like what, next week or something. And look at here, another one, sweeps. Over 5,000 in size as well, above the ask. 504 strike price for the same date, August 19th. What's the big deal with August 19th? We got some more puts above the ask, but that's same day expiration, and it's a split. Wouldn't take that too serious. It's a splits. Trying to see if there's anything that sticks out. Nothing that really sticks out. Hey guys, if you guys get cheddar flow or anything, you definitely be able to see the stuff for yourself, or you can become a tier 3 member with Uncle Charters. These are, yeah, we got some puts here, but they're same day. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much what sticks out to me. Some aggressive puts are being bought here. August 19th date, guys. And there was another one that is above the ask. It wasn't high in size, but I mean, 1,000 is pretty high. 501 strike, but that's all the way out in September. Okay, so overall looking bearish. Let's take a look at Triple Q. Okay, Triple Q is bullish. Triple Q is bullish. It doesn't agree with the SPY. 63K and for calls as far as quantity goes, but puts have higher quantities. So puts have higher quantities, but you can see more money, bigger money is going into calls. So bigger money is betting to the upside. Let me see here. We got an August 19th one. This is a put. That's puts. This one, okay. This is this is calls. 470 for September 6th. Look at the spot they entered though, around 447. So 470 strike price. Sweeps. It's the asking price. They didn't pay above. I'm seeing a lot of puts. 435 strike price for August 16th. This is above the ask. Let me see. There's a puts. Oh, that's same day. I'm trying to find these calls. Why so much money in calls? Oh, okay. We got one here. 460 strike price for August 16th. They enter around 448. So somebody's really bullish on Triple Q right now. We still got some aggressive put buying, but that was same day. I don't know if they lost money or what. Yeah, you know, big money can lose money as well, guys. But it's good to see what a lot of them are betting to. This right here, 1.2 million. 1.2 million in premium right here. Above the ask. Calls, 445 strike price. They enter around 445. So some in the money. It's about in the money, October 18th. But that's pretty aggressive right there. That's over $1 million. And we got more. Okay, so here are the call, but the same day, next day, August 9th. Maybe there's some day trades. 441 strike price. Millions of dollars. So yeah, these are cool to see intraday. You can see the time when it gets reported right here. Definitely would influence and help you out, you know, while you're trading intraday to see what the big money's doing. I'd say that gives you an edge. Like I said, get yourself some cheddar flow in your life, guys, or become a tier 3 member for Uncle Charters. Let me see. NVDA. You guys have any questions? Let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. So, you know, this stock right here is always bullish. I mean, they had good. I mean, it matched the price action today at least. But yes, 79% into calls, guys. Lots of calls. Okay, this is above the ask. 130 strike price right here. November 15th. Above the ask. They entered around 105. When NVDA was at 105. It's a sweep. That's pretty aggressive. Here's another. This August 9th, though. They might have been day trading this or something. Maybe it's a swing. Who knows? Yeah, a lot of the calls are aggressive. Above that, 105 strike price. Above August 16th. Yeah, a lot of these higher volume ones, September 13th, expiration date 121. A lot of money going into calls for NVDA. You know, a lot of people believe in AI. That's what the big money's putting their money in. And let's see, Tesla. Tesla's bullish. 13,000 contract, over 13,000 contract for calls compared to almost 9,000 contracts. Um, we are seeing some puts. August 9th though. August 9th. Yeah, let me know, guys, what filters you guys would want me to put in, okay? When I do these, when I look at these option flow with you guys, let me know what filters you guys would like me to look at as far as the premium. I usually just check 100K premiums. You know, we can always check the size. We want big size, so over 500, you know. We can check the expiration time frame. We can check 3 weeks out, 1 month out. You know, if we want to check the, shorter term, we look at 2 weeks out. So we can see Tesla right now in the shorter term is bearish. You see what I mean? 2 weeks out is bearish. So you get a different one. If you put all expiration date, you can see it's still bearish. You lower their size or bring it all size, it's bullish. You see what I mean? So if you guys want me to get more specific, let me know, okay? We can also just look at above, only look at the above the ask. Somebody, above the ask mean is very aggressive, right? Above the ask. We want the big size, okay? So 500 plus. This is just something that we can do. You can do if you have this technology. Like I said, tier 3 members, and if you get cheddar flow for yourself, you'll be able to do all this. It definitely gives you guys an edge, okay? But I will try to help you guys out, of course, for free on my YouTube channel. So definitely comment below what filters you guys would like me to use, and I will do it in the next video, and we can talk more about it, okay? We'll do this together. We'll go through it together, all right? Uncle Chartist out.